So I guess this is one of those views that I wanted to kind of show or share, I guess. Well, my camera is sort of low, but in general, I guess it kind of shows the bumper's kind of dirty and dusty. In any case, what I was trying to say, I had that titanium resonator in that place specifically because it's more or less gives you a kind of a sense that it's something, like there is something that looks more or less nice. There is a, it's hard to see, but it says vibrant on it, because otherwise it's just going to be like just a straight 3-inch pipe, and that kind of looks really ricey. I did not like the look of this basically straight pipe without a muffler or anything. That more or less gives you I guess an idea that you have an exhaust, not just a pipe. I don't know, maybe that's just me, but I guess I like it better this way. We can see one of those hangers, which is again not a big deal because it's a factory piece and it looks just like any BMW exhaust hanger. And but in any case, I guess the point is that this exhaust is sort of it's still kind of it is low. It's below the bumper line. It's not hiding in the cavity that's originally there or meant to be filled up by the original muffler. So I guess that's what I was kind of trying to show in this view. This exhaust, you still can see it. It's I tried to make it sit as high as possible, but it's still kind of it is a low, and it's below the bumper line. It's below the diff, and it's I think it's a bit lower than control arms. Well, it's kind of even. The bottom line, the bottom of the resonator is more or less even with the control arms, the lower point of the control arm, I guess. But it does look like it's just it could have been much well, it could have been higher a little bit and could have been hidden a little bit better. So there is a lot of space where the original muffler is, and but unfortunately the piping needs to be shaped and rotated and rebuilt, I guess, to make it look that way. This is more or less kind of a straight out type of an exhaust, so it doesn't snake around or I mean it doesn't like go up and down and such. So it's, I guess it's a good thing for the gases flow, for the flow of the gases, but for the looks, I'm not sure I like it. I mean, it does look a bit racy or ricey, depending how you think of it, but that's what it is. As far as the tips lining up to the bumper opening, that's what it's like. I tried my best to line them up as good as I could, to do the best job possible. Well, you can see the gaps, you can see the alignment. It's more or less even on all the sides. The exhaust, I guess, should I say, it still can move like sideways like this, and it's not going to hit the bumper. It's not going to go up. It's going to go sideways if anything, and it's got an equal, more or less equal gap everywhere. I didn't want to drop it lower any lower. Didn't want to locate them any lower than this. Well, I guess it is what it is at this point. But realistically, I don't think you can do this any better. And like I said again, there's a factory hanger. So if anyone looks under, it's a factory kind of a installation, factory-like looking installation. And I guess the next thing is to go for a test drive and just well, do a start and go for a test drive.